Niggas, I wanted to show you all the birds out there in the backyard. Look at them all. Nigga, they're eating all the bird seed. Niggas, I've never seen so many birds in my life. You know, that's in one place. Look at them all. Wow. Oh, Shadow, you scared him when you moved. There's Shadow, because he was watching them, and he scared him when he moved. Oh, well. Well, maybe that they'll come back. Shadow. Did you scare the birdies? Yeah, I know. You scared the birdies. Well, some of them, I think, are coming back. Oh, yeah. See, Shadow, they're coming back. There's some. I'm trying to get this. Yeah, see, there's one right there. Niggas, you must see that pet alert sticker on the window. You know, that is so then if something ever happens, then they would, say emergency would have to come in here for some reason. They would know that there was two cats and two birds in the house, which is pretty cool. So then they would search for the two cats and two birds. Well, the birds are in a bird cage, but they would search for the two cats. But anyways, let's look at the birds. I'm trying to remember how to zoom in on this thing. I think they're coming back. Oh yeah, they're coming back. Up there's some on the bird feeder. Oops. Sorry about that. See, there's some on the bird feeder. Wow, look at them all. Wow, look at that. Back at this morning, there was I don't know what it was, but it was a bird, and he was taking a bath in the bird feeder. But I was busy doing my email, and I did not get him in time. But that was pretty cool. Oh, there goes that one. And see, they're on the. Yeah, I know, Shadow. Yeah, they're coming back, aren't they? Yeah, I know. Oh, now Shadow wants to talk. I'm gonna. Oh, Shadow, you scared him again. Oh well. What? You scared the birdies again, Shadow? Shadow, every time you move, the birdies see you and you scare them. Flea attack. I guess he does have a flea collar on. We're hoping that will help him. Okay, here comes the birdies again now. You cannot move around or you scare them again. Yeah, that's right. Just sit there and be a good boy. Yeah, and then watch the birdies. Yeah, he loves to watch the birds. That's his favorite thing to do. And then Tiger, she usually likes watching them too, but she's sleeping right now. As you can see, she's sound asleep. Yeah. Well, there are still some more birds there. Here we go. You can see him. Yeah, see him? Yeah. Oh, yeah, see. And there's some birds on the feeder. Whoops. I will get used to this webcam sooner or later. Shadow, you moved again. You scared him. Yeah, I know you did. Oh well, I guess I'll let you guys be go. Okay. See you later. Bye.